Hello, my name is Walter Yuan, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of MobLab. We're an education technology startup based in Pasadena, California, and focus in building interactive behavioral games to help students learn economics, business management, and the social sciences in general, experientially, and both in and outside of classrooms. I think students or children learn by playing, learn by experimenting. That's just how we're built biologically. And for the longest time, natural sciences have adopted that methodology or that pedagogy. So students have always learned, for centuries now, chemistry, physics, and biology through experiments. And MobLab, part of our vision is that we don't see why can't students learn economics and down the road the social sciences in general through experiments as well. So it really has been our dream that if we can introduce experiments so that students will find themselves to be an active part of the lecture instead of being that passive listener, and as well as through playing, through our experiments and surveys, and we can help students create that sticky and the light bulb moment so that they would remember, aha, there is this invisible hand. The market does converge. If it doesn't, what happens? What factors affect market from reaching the optimal outcome? So these are really the desired outcome that we hope by working with our partners and also working hard within our team that one day we can deliver. I think Cengage was one of the first publishers to bring experiments to econ classrooms, and so MobLab is really just to me, it's a continuation of Cengage's strategic planning and vision going forward to make classrooms more immersive, more engaging to students. And the way I see it is, how can we integrate the two platforms so that we can provide students with the seamless and cohesive learning experiences. So one thing is MobLab's team has been working closely with Cengage's tech team to integrate MobLab as one of the external activities through MindTap, so that students can sign on with their usernames and password from MindTap without having to set up a separate account, and grades and performances can be passed from MobLab seamlessly into MindTap or the eventual LMS. And in terms of features, students and instructors get the full set. The only thing that may be different is the number of games Cengage has requested in this initial agreement. So there are still plenty, I think over 20 games are going to be available, and surveys and to all MindTap users or Cengage users. And so as part of the unlimited subscriber, students automatically get access to, like I said, all MobLab features and a rich bundle of games and survey activities. I think I really appreciate Cengage's effort in bringing out this unlimited edition to keep costs low, affordable, especially to low-income students and families. And to be part of this initiative to make MobLab available in this bundled fashion with one-stop solution, and to bring interactive teaching and learning to classrooms without really incurring a high cost. I think this is something MobLab also agreed to, and it aligns well with our philosophy in general.